this out. I've got the grounded out. I can give it a solid from the battery, and then things will start. Gives it a solid ground. Take that away. Open up my driver door and gets ground back. Loses it again. Give me a solid ground and it'll start flawlessly. So I'm losing my ground to the block for starting. And now it'll do just fine each time. Huh. Hard start due to a bad ground strap to the block. Ground's right there. Goes down here onto the exhaust manifold. Right there, if you guys can see it. But that is not passing proper ground.